Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to jump start the battery. This video will apply to second generation of GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. To start, first you'll have to locate the battery. On these vehicles, battery is under the front hood right here. And then you want to remove this cover on the positive pole as well to be able to connect the booster or the jumper cables to the terminal. Now in my case, I will be using this small jump starter to demonstrate. It's small and handy and it's gonna be easier for me to record, but if you're using big jump starter like a booster pack, process will be completely the same. And if you're using the jumper cables, everything is the same. You will just connect other side of the cable to the battery on the other vehicle. Now the most important thing is to connect the positive clamp to the positive terminal, so plus to plus and black to black or minus to minus. Now every battery should be marked as well. If you look at this battery, you'll see here is the minus sign, so this is the negative terminal, and on the other side, just down here somewhere, there should be a plus sign as well. Yeah, it's just down here. So to jump start it, you want to connect the terminals, positive and the negative. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything. Now in my case, I just have to, on this jump starter, I just have to press this button here, and once it goes green, the vehicle is ready to start if the battery is low. And like I said, if you're using cables, you will connect one side of the cables exactly like I did, black to black, negative to negative, positive to positive, and then the other side you will connect to the other vehicle. Also, you have to make sure to connect red cable to the positive and black one to the negative, and then you can try to start the vehicle. That's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.